Hello, good morning. My name is Darshan Toida. Today I will explain type of TENS. The first one is introduction. TENS is a method of pain relief using a electrical stimulation. Small electrical impulse are delivered through electrode placed on the skin, commonly used in physiotherapy for acute and chronic pain management. Principle of TENS stimulate sensory nerve to reduce pain, work by gate control theory, endorphin release, non-invasive and safe modality. Conventional trends feature high frequency to 150 to 150 Hz, low intensity, short pulse duration, uses acute pain, post-operative pain, advantages, comfortable and quick pain relief. Acupuncture like trends features low frequency 1 to 5 Hz, high intensity, long pulse duration uses chronic pain, muscle pain, effect stimulates endorphin release. Brief intense feature high frequency, high intensity, short treatment duration uses before pain procedures, wound dressing or joint mobilization effect, rapid for suppression. Birds more tense future birds of low frequency pulse combined advantages of conventional and acupuncture tense uses chronic and deep pain benefits more comfortable for patient. Modulate tense future frequency and pulse duration vary automatically prevents nerve accommodation uses long duration therapy advantages maintain effectiveness for longer periods. Indication back pain, neck pain, arthritis, sports injury, post operative pain, neuropathic pain, contraindication, pacemaker patient, pregnancy, malignancy, epilepsy, open wound. Advantages of TENS non invasive, drugs free pain relief, portable and easy to use, minimal side effects. Conclusion TENS is an effective electrotherapy modality for pain management. Different types are selected according to the patient condition and pain type. Proper application improve treatment outcome. Thank you.